We go out, Bruno. Yeah, we go out. Oh, you see that? We'll go it. We'll go out. We go outside. Yeah, Bruno like to playing outside. Yeah, go out outside, Bruno. Playing snow outside. Yeah, playing snow outside. Okay. Okay. You like this one? Yeah, Bruno's got the reason. Yeah, get your jacket. Have jacket, Bruno. Yo, Bruno, have jacket. Yeah, your jacket. Yes, Bruno jacket. Bruno jacket. Yes. Yeah, Bruno jacket. Yeah, you have so nice jacket. Nice jacket. Oh, you nice jacket. Yeah, nice jacket na Bruno. Yeah, nice jacket, Bruno. Yeah, sit down. Sit down some more. Yeah, so na feeling good. Yeah. No, you are beautiful. Handsome boy. Bruno, handsome. Yeah, ready to go out now. Are you ready to go out? Yeah, go out. Yeah, Sonia, go out. Nah, Sonia. Oi. Huh? Go out. Go out to play in the snow. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we go out. Oh, sit down again. Yeah, Bruno, are you ready? Are you ready to go out? Yes? Yeah. There, Bruno, we go out. We go to the gate. Yes, go to the gate. Yeah. Look, Bruno, like to play in the snow. Happy? Yeah, you have jacket na, Bruno, so it's not so cold. It's not so cold, Bruno. Tatai siya, tatai. Sip na. Yeah, Bruno? Are you warm? Yeah, are you warm? Are you warm now, Bruno? We go again? Yeah, Bruno, I see. Say hi. Yeah, say hi. Say hi. Hello. Hi. Bruno, go outside. Bruno like to go out in the snow. Outside. Yeah. Yeah, we go again. We go. Yeah, we go. Yeah, down. Go down. There. Oh, finger. You like to dance? Yeah, dance. Oh, dance in the snow. Bruno, dance in the snow. Yeah, dance in the snow. You playing good boy. He is only understand Norwegian. Yeah, dance now. Dance. There. Yeah. Son. Playing good. Bruno, come. Dance more. Dance. Yeah, playing good. Dance more. Yeah, dance. Dance more. More. Oh, fling it. Lay down. Lay down in the snow. Lay down in the snow. Yes, lay down in the snow. Lay down. Yeah, lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down in the snow. Oh, fling it. Oh, aper. Oy, aper na Bruno, aper. Oy, fling it. Bruno enjoy outside in the snow. He stop if it's begin cold. Yeah, are you cold? You like to carry? Carry Bruno? Kaya pa? Yeah? Yeah, go. We go home? Go home, Bruno? You have shoes as well, but you don't like to wear it. Bruno, you have all as well Christmas shoes. Yeah, Bruno? Are you warm? Yeah, are you warm? Are you warm now, Bruno? We go again? Yeah, Bruno, I see. Say hi. Yeah, say hi. Say hi. Hello. Hi. Bruno, go outside. Bruno like to go out in the snow, outside. Yeah. Yeah, we go again. We go. Yeah, down. Go down. There. Oh, finger. Yeah, Bruno. Go. Go. Strong boy, Bruno. You don't have shoes. You don't like shoes, Bruno. Go, Bruno. Go. Walk. Yes, Bruno, walk. Walk. Maliit mo na paa. Walk in the small feet you have. Yeah, you like to go home now? Now, another round. To go home now. He walked this direction. Here. Yan, humihina na siya. Yan, go home now. Yeah, go home. You're the big boss. I follow you. Yes. So. And then we close the gate. Yeah. You go now. Yeah, you go now. I get you free. He's so cute. Upstairs. Yes. You go up to upstairs. Hey, Bruno, go up upstairs. Go up. And that's all, guys. And I hope that you like this my Bruno Peace Lover channel. Here we are. We are walk around. How many minutes, Bruno? We walk. How many minutes? Yeah, how many minutes? Yes. And he don't like to use shoes, so that's why his feet is cold. And I hope that you like this Bruno Peace Lover channel. He's very active boy. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and of course click the notification bell under below so you can update you the Bruno Peace activities next time. Thank you for watching. See you in next video of Bruno. Yeah, say hello. Say hi. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.